Hi everyone. I wanted to share this with you real quickly. So this is an order that I made for from Young Living recently, and I did not have to pay any money for it. And as you can see, it was quite a large order. So it ended up being $91. The subtotal on the order was $80 and the shipping was $9.99. And then the tax was 75 cents. And then there's an option if you want to do a little donation. It's a roundup thing so that it makes it's like the keep the change kind of deal. And it goes to the Young Living Foundation, which does all this really awesome stuff for people around the world. So if you want to, you can click on it to have that option. So I do, that's 26 cents from this order. So it ended up being a total of $91. But like I said, I did not pay anything for it because I used my rewards points to pay for the cost of the items that I ordered. And then I also had account credits and I used those to pay for the rest, the shipping and the tax and the roundup donation. So $0 were charged to my credit card. So I think that's awesome. This is just one of the reasons why I love our Essential Rewards program. That's where I earned those rewards points. So I earn 25% of whatever I order. So if I make a $100 order, then once that order is processed, I get 25 rewards points, and those are used just like product credit. So I can go get anything with my 25 rewards points. I can get anything on that Young Living has that is 25 PV. And the PV is just like the wholesale price for almost all the things. So anyway, also another really awesome thing about the rewards points is that they don't expire after a month. You can save them up and accumulate them with points you earn on other orders and stuff for a whole year. So you can like save them up and then get something really expensive. And also I want to share just a little bit of what I have sitting here on my desk. So you can see I have a bunch of oils and other stuff from Young Living on my desk right now. This mug was one of the free promo items this month that I got with my Essential Rewards order. Also, just sitting here on my desk from Young Living, I have my rose ointment. I love this for my cuticles and any dry areas of my skin. Thieves Essential Oil. This is Thieves Vitality. I can take this in capsules, and I also sometimes put like a drop or two in my tea. It supports the immune system. I also rub it on the bottoms of my feet and on my neck and everything. And I love to inhale it as well and diffuse it. Okay, I also have Stress Away Essential Oil. This is wonderful. We have a basic starter kit that's 35 bucks, and it comes with Stress Away Essential Oil as well as our travel sized Thieves hand sanitizer that kills 99.99% of germs. That's made with all natural ingredients. That is 65% alcohol, but the clean kind that's not harmful for you. And so as you can see, I have lots of other things as well, but I don't want to make this go on forever. I love my Thieves cough drops. I love how we have our Thieves essential oil blend in the cough drops and how it like coats my throat. It's so, so good for me. Now that I have my Invisalign though, I have to wear these Invisalign aligners like all the time. So it's kind of difficult for me because I'm not supposed to have anything except for just water when I have them on. So that's a little bit of a bummer. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, obviously I would love to just talk with you. And once again, have a wonderful day.